everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today you're gonna learn about cereals. Friends, watch this video till the end as there are many new information related to food grains that you may not know. What are cereals? Cereals are grains that can be used as staple food, especially by just boiling or by grinding into flour or by roasting. Health benefits of cereals. Cereals are excellent sources of carbohydrates. They are low in saturated fat and are cholesterol-free. Let's see the list of cereals now. Number 1. Rice. Rice is a short, thin, white grain that is used for making variety of dishes like biryani, tomato rice, and lemon rice. It is the staple food of South India. Number 2. Wheat. Wheat is a yellowish brown grain that is used for making chapati and puri. Number 3. Barley. Barley is a grain that is similar to wheat and is used for making beers and other drinks. Number 4. Maize. Maize, also known as corn, is the yellow grain which can be eaten as snack or used in preparing popcorn. Number 5. Sorghum. Sorghum is used primarily as a maize substitute for livestock feed because their nutritional values are very similar. Number 6. Oat. Oat refers to a type of grain eaten as oatmeal or oat milk. Friends, do you know that there are many varieties of rice available in the market? Great! Come on, I'll show you a few of them. Number 7. Black rice. Black rice is also known as forbidden rice in ancient China, since only those belonging to the upper class could afford to eat it. Number 8. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain with the inedible outer hull removed. Number 9. Red rice. Red rice is a variety of rice with the highest nutritional value. Number 10. Golden rice. Golden rice is a variety of rice produced through genetic engineering. Friends, do you know the names of the products obtained from these cereals? Excellent! Come on, let me show you a few of them. Number 1. Suji. Suji is a food obtained from wheat by granulating whole wheat grain. It is used for making varieties of sweets and upma. It is otherwise known as semolina. Number 2. Maida. Maida is a white flour obtained from wheat by grinding, refining, and bleaching. It is mainly used to make parota. Number 3. Broken wheat. Broken wheat is made by milling whole raw wheat grains. It is also known as bulgur wheat, dalia, and cracked wheat. Number 4. Vermicelli. Vermicelli is a traditional type of thin rice sticks or rice noodles. It can be obtained from rice or wheat. It's called Semia when made with wheat, and sevai when made with rice. Number 5. Noodle. Noodles are a type of food made from unleavened dough which is rolled flat and cut, stretched into long stripes or strings that originated in China. Number 6. Pasta and its types. Pasta is a type of food typically made from an unleavened dough of wheat flour mixed with water or eggs and formed into many shapes. Macaroni is a dry pasta shaped like narrow tubes, and spaghetti is a long, thin, solid, cylindrical pasta. Guys, please do comment the names of other pasta varieties that you know. Number 7. Cornflakes. Cornflakes refer to food made of small pieces of dried corn and eaten with milk for breakfast. Number 8. Rice flakes. Rice flakes are also known as flattened rice or poha. It is obtained from rice. Number 9. Puffed rice. Puffed rice is also known as popped rice or pop rice. It is a type of puffed grain made from rice and is commonly eaten as traditional food and religious offering in various parts of Asia. So friends, eat healthy and live healthy. Hope this video gave you much information. See you soon with a new concept. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.